worthful to your time? Yes, working model. That is so hard task to all the teachers. So today in our video we are going to see what is working model. So working models. So as a teacher, depending upon our content students, we are selecting our teaching methodologies. In the same criteria, we have to select our teaching aids depending on our content. If your content is too easy to understand, then you can go with simple teaching aids like chart, rotating card, matching board. So those kind of teaching aids can be used for a easy content. But suppose you have to deal with hardest content which is so hard to make understand by our students, in those kind of places we can make use of working model. For example, if you are a science teacher, when you are handling 6th or 7th students, you have to deal with the structure of atom or solar system, whatever the concept, we have to make the working model for the particular concept. For example, you have to deal with solar system. In that cases, we can make a working model like centrally you can have fit a ball with the help of sticks. We can attach some balls. For example, if you are dealing with the content molecule, you are repeating that the number of atoms join together and form a molecule. So you are repeating this concept more than 1000 times. It is waste. The students can understand by seeing, by hearing. Instead of hearing, by seeing they can easily understand. To that aspect, we can make use of a ball and the stick we have to attach here. We can put hole here and we can insert a stick here, and in this place we can again add 2 balls. So here we are having this ball is oxygen and this ball is hydrogen, and here we are having one ball that is hydrogen. So see students, the big ball is oxygen and the 2 small ball is hydrogen. It should be in a big size and different color. Suppose this ball is red and these 2 ball is same atom, so that's why we have to use same color, same size. Okay, this is what? This is what? H2O, that is water. See my dear viewers, you are explaining water. We can get water. In addition of 2 hydrogen atom with oxygen atom, we are getting water. You can repeat this concept many times. But instead of doing that, you can do a simple working model. That is, here we are having oxygen ball and we can attach 2 small size ball which is represented as H, and this model you can bring to your class and explain to your students that, dear students, today we are going to see about the concept molecule. So here I am having a molecule. What is this? Just it is pixelation, like that you can ask to your students. That time they can say, ma'am, this is ball, this is sticker. If funny comments you can get. That after you can start your explanation. The center part is oxygen and 2 balls are represented as hydrogen. So this setup is for H2O. This is what? Molecule. So if you are teaching in this way, when he crossed over his or she PG degree, they never forgot this concept. But if you are teaching in oral way, it is easy to forgettable. So my dear viewers, if you want to become a good teacher, efficient teacher, so depending on your content, you have to wisely select your teaching aid. So when the content is too difficult to understand, molecule is easiest concept to as a teacher, that is the easiest concept. But when it is students, that is hardest task, hardest content to understand. In the state of students, we have to think on the basis of that. We have to prepare teaching aids. When you are a good or expert in teaching aid preparation, then you can become a good teacher. So my dear students, you should get enough practice on teaching aids preparation on the basis of your content and the students' age level. Okay students, I hope this video will be helpful in your future scenarios, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you students.